For my Go See It project, I have chosen the Wheaton Park District located in Wheaton, Illinois. The reason I have chosen the Wheaton Park District is because I've recently become employed in their accounting department. I wanted to learn more about my employer. The Wheaton Park District was incorporated in 1921. It is a district unit of local government and exists as authorized by the State of Illinois Park District Code. Services which are provided by the district include recreational programs, athletic programs, continuing education programs, recreational facilities, enterprise facilities, museums, park management, capital development, general administration. Active and passive parks owned and leased by the Park District include 50 parks totaling over 815 acres. The topic I have selected for this Go See It project is property, plant, and equipment. In reviewing the district's comprehensive annual financial report for the fiscal period ending December 31st, 2017, I was able to find out the following in regards to their accounting policies and procedures as it relates to asset control and reporting. The district's financial statements are prepared in accordance with generally accepted accounting principles, GAAP, the Governmental Accounting Standards Board, GASB, is responsible for establishing GAAP for state and local government through its pronouncements, statements, and interpretations. In regards to assets, they have stated the following in the 2017 annual report. The management of the district is responsible for establishing and maintaining internal controls designed to ensure that the assets of the district are protected from loss, theft, or misuse, and to ensure that adequate accounting data is properly recorded to allow for preparation of financial statements in conformity with accounting principles generally accepted in the United States of America. It also states in 2015, per the board's direction, staff hired a third party to conduct an inventory of all movable assets above $5,000. Assets were inventoried, tagged, and updated in their financial system. Staff continues to do a quarterly inventory of all movable assets to safeguard these at-risk assets. As part of my position in the accounting department, I am to assist my supervisor as needed for these inventories. I recently, for the first time, accompanied my supervisor to the Parks Department to complete the equipment portion of the asset inventory. The process simply consisted of an asset list with tag numbers, item numbers, and descriptions. These items were then located and checked off the list. We located them by their tag numbers. I also learned that depreciation on all assets is computed and recorded using straight line method. Over the following estimated useful lives: land and improvements 10 to 20 years, buildings 10 to 30 years, vehicles 8 years, and equipment 15 years. Finally, in reviewing the financial statement, you can see that the assets are reported in two categories: current and non-current. Under non-current assets, there are non-depreciable capital assets totaling $26,302,161 and depreciable capital assets totaling $84,575,223, less accumulated depreciation of $36,428. And that concludes my Go See It project on the Wheaton Park District.